Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The two major poultry operators are warning consumers that chicken prices will increase as global commodity prices soar, Andrew Lately reports.
Jamaica Broilers and the CB Group are the two latest food producers to signal that prices will increase as a result of higher commodity prices on the global market. CEO of the CB Group, Matthew Lynn, says the price increase is inevitable. Jamaica Broilers CEO Christopher Levy agrees.
Grain prices and commodity prices worldwide are just skyrocketing, as everybody knows, and it's unfortunate that this is happening, but it is definitely a worldwide impact that we're all going to feel. Just the cost of living is going to go up, and it's going to be a little while before we see that coming down.
Mr. Levy says the disruption in the global market is likely to continue to affect cost of living until trade disruptions are resolved.
I mean, we've seen the communication, everything from bread and all of those, everything is moving up. Corn, soy, wheat, copper, I mean, everything is just skyrocketed. And that's going to have an impact on all our costs of living.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
The Bank of Jamaica has decided to maintain the policy interest rate at 0.5%. The recently formed Monetary Policy Committee says the decision was made on the background that inflation is projected to average 4.8% over the next 2 years. Now, the committee noted that the annual inflation rate at March 2021 was 5.2%, which is below the February projection, but marginally above the midpoint of the 4 to 6% target range. The next policy decision announcement date is June 30. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $150.16. Now the Canadian dollar sold for $124.99. The pound is going for $213.03, while the euro closed at $186.70. The JC Index lost 6,266 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 13 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, Variable Preference Shares and Ordinary Shares, Knutsford Express, JMMB Group 7.5%, and Stationery and Office Supplies. On the losing side, SSL Venture Capital, Guardian Holdings, Lasco Financial, First Rock US Dollar Shares, and Caribbean Producers Jamaica. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.